Hello students. Now see, this port is this one is the Ethernet port on my laptop. Okay, this one is a USB port. Okay, this one is the CD-ROM or the DVD-ROM. Okay, and this again one USB port. Okay, and these are the sound ports. Okay, this is for input, this is the mic port, and this is the output port for a speaker or a headphone. Okay, so what is our today's activity? This is a pen drive. Okay, this is a pen drive or the flash drive. So what we are going to do, we are going to insert this pen drive into this USB port. Okay, so see, I have inserted this pen drive into the USB port of my computer. Okay, now look what is happening. As soon as I've inserted the pen drive, now see, again I'll show you. Okay, see, as soon as I insert the pen drive, see this autoplay dialog box is popping up. Okay, so what I need to do is I can directly open this from here. Okay, so students, after inserting the pen drive, okay, as soon as you insert the flash drive, see, I have inserted the flash drive, this autoplay dialog box has opened, but we don't need to perform our activity from this. Autoplay means whatever things are there, suppose if audio files or video files are there or pictures are there, if I can click from here directly and this will play whatever contents are there in my hard drive. So I don't need to use this. Okay, what we need to do is that we need to find out the my computer option. Now our first task is how to copy data from flash drive to a computer. Okay, so the flash drive that I inserted just now, okay, we are going to copy data from that flash drive into my computer. So we need to go to the computer option. See, computer folder is over here. Okay, so we have located the computer option over here. Look over here, and now I will open this. Okay, either I can open by right clicking and then click on open option, or I can double click also. So I've opened my computer or the computer option. Okay, now select the files and then we need to locate the pen drive. So this is the name of the pen drive, Cruiser Blade. Okay, this is the F drive. Okay, so now we need to open this. Okay, so now we are going to open this and see which files are present on the flash drive. So there are two files, these two files are present, and this is a folder inside which many files are there. Okay, so suppose I want to copy this Word file from my flash drive to my computer. So what I'll do, I will select this file, right click on the file, and then come to this copy option over here. See, copy option, I've clicked on the copy option. Now again I'll go to the computer. From here, from this left hand side also, you can go to the computer. So now click on the computer. Now there are two drives in my computer. See, these are two, C drive and D drive. So suppose I want to copy my data in D drive. So I will open the D drive and then see, I'll click on any empty space. Okay, I'll click on any empty space over here, and then I will right click and then I will click on paste. Now see, the file has been copied from my pen drive to my computer. Okay, so our task 1 is completed. The second task is how to safely remove the flash drive. See, you can remove the flash drive directly by plugging it out of your computer's USB port also, but that is not a safe way. So what is the safe way? The safe way to remove a pen drive is by going over here. Okay, so going on this option, see, show hidden. Okay, so can you see this arrow over here, the bottom arrow? Okay, so I need to click on this arrow on the which is on the right hand side of the taskbar. Okay, so this arrow, so I'll click on, as soon as I click on this arrow, these options are shown to me. I need to go on this option, safely remove hardware and eject media. Okay, and then I need to click on it. Okay, so I need to left click on this icon. Okay, so I will click on this icon. As soon as I click on this icon, this option, this option is coming, eject Cruiser Blade. Okay, eject means what? Take it out. Okay, so I will click on this eject cruiser blade. Okay, so I've clicked on this. Now my pen drive can be safely removed from my computer. Okay, now I can plug it out of my computer very safely. So never directly plug out your pen drive from your computer. Always use the safe method. Okay students, I hope you understood this. Okay, thank you.